Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Pisces, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship. Pisces, we are picking these cards, guys. So these are for your general energies, Pisces. This is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation, guys. If you like this reading and if it resonates, Pisces, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card love reading right after this general guidance. So that may answer your questions or clear some doubts in your circumstances, guys. So you can stay tuned for that, Pisces. So let's start with these cards. We have Ace of Fire, Four of Earth, Three of Air. So, in your circumstances today, guys, Pisces, maybe in your work situation or it may be in your relationship. So, you may have some worries or fears, maybe regarding some situation or some decision you need to make for yourself in your career situation or in your relationship. So, you have dreams and goals to achieve, and maybe today you need to make a right choice. So, that choice is going to take you towards your dreams or the way things are going to be, guys, and that is going to be the potential for transformation. But you need to understand that changes are the way of life, guys. Maybe if we fear some changes coming today, we will not see something good coming our way. So changes are part of our life. So in our career, maybe there may be changes happening. So when we embrace those changes with a cheerful attitude, things are going to be different, guys. So there is no need to fear some new difference of circumstances or a situation taking place, and you need to have faith in yourself, trust in the divine order. So you may move to a different place for work, or for some of you, the way you do your work or some kind of change is happening, some transformation. And these changes are the stepping stones for that solid foundation that is being built today, guys. Maybe it is not up to your expectation. These changes are not something you expected, something that is causing a lot of worry and stress. But Pisces, you need to understand that whatever we can control, we can make some changes, guys. But when certain circumstances are beyond control, you need to understand that it is the divine order of things, guys. And though you are worried or pained or feeling lost today because of the way things are going, you can have trust and rest assured that these changes are taking you towards something positive. So all your pain and sadness is simply going to disappear, guys, and that is the divine order of things in your life today, Pisces. So maybe let's see what is the card for your career and relationship. First, for your relationship, guys. So we have Eight of Fire. So with this card, guys, in your relationship, things are gaining momentum between you both in this relationship. So maybe you have what to say, you want to be different today, maybe move towards a deeper meaningful connection, you want commitment. And maybe for some of you this person has not yet replied. Maybe you have proposed, given them what you feel, given them a fair idea that you want commitment, and things are gaining momentum between you both. You are building on a beautiful positive relationship, guys. So maybe they will accept your love, Pisces. So for your career situation, Pisces, we have two of fire. So you are moving towards a business partnership or collaboration, something positive taking you towards your dreams and goals, and you are working with people who have similar goals and aspirations like you guys. So that is what I see, guys, with these cards, Pisces. That is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Pisces. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. So this is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, guys. So let's start the reading after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. I will keep the second card aside. So for those who chose this card, it says time for a nap. So with this card in your circumstances today, guys, in your relationship, maybe this may not be the time for you to make any plans. If you are with the person you love, it is a good time to know yourself, to know the other person, to build that understanding and allow things to flow naturally in this relationship. So beautiful renewal or rejuvenation is taking place all by itself, guys, and patience is the key for your heart's desire right now. So you need to withdraw from action in this relationship and give it rest, for that love and that connection can become more deeper, more refreshed, rejuvenated, and more lively today, guys. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. So for those who chose the second card, let us see what is the second card. What is the crystal? This is a crystal spirits card, guys. So this is the crystal for you all today. And with this crystal stands for orderliness, clearing clutter. So whatever was bothering you, maybe emotionally or physically, you need to go for that orderliness. So orderliness in your interactions and in your thought about your relationships or interactions with the people you love, people you are close with. So this is the perfect time for yourself to journal about your thoughts and feelings when it comes about people whom you care for, guys. So if any challenging emotions come up, you need to understand that universe is here guiding you today, and it wants you to be happy, and you can feel happy, secure that universe's guidance is there in your life. So all you need to do is be aware of the emotions that you feel today towards the people you love, or the thoughts you have towards the people you love, and see whether you need to adjust, whether you need to make any changes in your relationship, guys. So that way you are moving towards a perfect understanding and clarity. So you need to think clearly for yourself. So from your side, whatever needs to be done, you need to go for that to improve yourself, improve this relationship, or enhance this relationship. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this Crystal Spirits card, that is the reading for y'all today. Thank you for watching, guys. If you like this kind of reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.